Hi, Jeanette.
Hi, Romy.
How are you?
Oh, I'm a bit busy because my kids are in my home office now.
Okay, all right. Well, I'm also in my home office, but at the moment I'm outside because my little daughter is playing just in the background as well. So you have another question for me?
Yes, I prepared a question. I want to speak with you about happiness in the home office. How
Nice.
can you balance working in your office and organizing your family, Romy?
Oh, well, for me, to be honest, it is quite easy. My partner Ryan and me, we're both self-employed and we can share looking after our daughter. So sometimes, of course, she is around and people can hear her on the phone, but that doesn't matter. Everyone understands at the moment, and organizing the family is also easy as usual, to be honest. But I'm actually even more interested in you. Like, how do you do that? Because you have 3 kids, not just one little 1.5 years old. You have 3 kids. How does that work?
Yes, I have 3 kids. They are teens, and everyone needs a computer to make the work for school. Everyone needs the Wi-Fi, and sometimes I don't. I am not able to work because I need all the things, and yeah, I have to think about what I really want when I will do it. Often I am working in the morning, in the early morning, because then I can work. And in the afternoon I try.
4 o'clock, I know.
Yeah, 4 o'clock, that's my time.
Yes.
Yes, and so my day is really structured.
Mm-hmm.
I am working till lunch, and after this I am not able to work, so I have time for family, to make sport and so on. That's cool.
That sounds good. So it's all a question about structuring your day and organizing your day. Very good.
Yes, and how I want to feel. Because the kids are, yes, sometimes they are stressed and they are stressing me.
Yes.
But I want to be a good mother, and I want to be, how do I say, I want to be like this, happy.
Smiling and happy all the time. Yes, of course, that's not always possible, but it's a mindset question, definitely. I agree on that. And I think if you give yourself a little bit of time every day, just even if it is 5 minutes or so, where you can breathe and maybe go for a little walk, or for me it's doing some yoga, then you can probably be more balanced. Cool.
That's why the kids are in the home office now, and I will do some sport on the floor.
Very good. Now. Awesome. Well, then I won't hold you back. I wish you a lot of fun, and I can't wait for our next week's question.
Me too. It's always a pleasure. Thank you.
Cool, Jeanette.
Bye.
Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Bye.